As you can tell by the look on my face, I am expressing emotions of being both very nervous and very excited, because this is not the kind of device that I usually make videos about. This is way more cool. The device that I am talking about is the Night Security KT9000 RF Detector and Anti-Spy Kit. If you do not know what an anti-spy kit or an RF detector is or what it's for, fear not, because in this very short video, I will lead you to enlightenment. The price for the Night Security KT9000 RF Detector and Anti-Spy Kit is $130. Affiliate link below. And just to be clear, so that some people do not leave stupid and ignorant comments claiming that I'm just a shill for this company, I paid for this RF detector and anti-spy kit with my own monies that I collected from my YouTube channel supporting members. Those are the YouTube viewers that clicked on the join button below and support my channel. Those are also the ones with all the cool icons next to their name in the comment section, and their comments are immune from being deleted. Now, if you are watching my channel for the very first time, please allow me to take a moment and explain to you how I do things around here. You may have already noticed that I did not waste any of your time begging you to subscribe or begging you to click the like button like all of those other desperate YouTubers do. And I am not going to waste your time doing an unboxing of this product, because unboxings are stupid. I will, however, remove the contents of this box piece by piece. The technical term for that is deboxing. Deboxing, which is very different from a stupid unboxing. So when you purchase the Night Security KT9000 RF Detector and Anti-Spy Kit, in the box you will receive a quick start card with a QR code to watch a video about the product, an email address, and a telephone number encouraging you to contact the company in case you have any questions or need any help. You will receive a user guide about 15 pages long and written in perfect, easy to understand English. And my friend, you can tell a lot about a company and their product based on how much time and effort they put into their user manual. And it is clear that Night Security put a lot of time and effort into this guide, and therefore by the transitive property, the product as well. And for those wondering, Night Security, that is night as in shining armor, not night like it's dark outside, is a small business based right here in these United States, the state of Chicago to be exact. And even though this RF detector is assembled in China, because the company is based in the state of Chicago, all of the profits stay right here in these United States, instead of going to fund more balloons for China. You will receive a USB power brick, and not one, but two charging cables for charging the various pieces that come with the device, which I will show you momentarily. You simply plug the charging cable into the brick, the other end goes into said device, and you stick this into one of the holes that you find in the walls of your home. You will find this very handsome and elegant hand strap for affixing to one of the devices, again, which I will show you momentarily. You can then affix the other end to any appendage of your body that you choose. You will receive this very long lighted magnetic field detector, which is approximately 19 or 20 inches long. I will talk more about this momentarily. You will receive this camera lens locator, which I will talk more about momentarily. And you will receive the Night KT9000 RF Detector and Anti-Spy Kit. It comes with a removable antenna. It has very simple controls, 2 knobs, which I will talk about momentarily, an LED meter, and 1 switch. The case is not made of plastic, like some kind of cheap Chinese toy. It is made of aluminum and is very sturdy. It has 2... Oh, I almost forgot. Where was I? Ah, yes. Now, before I go any further, you may be asking yourself, what is an RF detector and why am I watching this video? And the answer to that is, number 1, because this video is like driving past a traffic accident and you just can't help but look. And number 2, an RF detector is used to detect, as one might guess by the name, RF. Also referred to as radio frequency electricities. That means if there is anything transmitting a nearby signal, analog, digital, or anything, an RF detector will alert you to its presence. For example, if there is a hidden wireless camera in your vicinity, this will let you know about it. If there is a GPS tracker or even an Apple Airtag, this will let you know. If there is a wireless microphone or even a cell phone hidden in the room with you, this will let you know. This particular model is especially useful because it can detect any signal from 1 MHz all the way up to 12 GHz, as indicated right here on the box. And that is a huge frequency range, so it will find pretty much anything transmitting anything, if it is near you. However, while conducting your anti-spying activities, it is important to remember that not all things transmit a signal all of the time. For example, a hidden camera pointed at the toilet in your hotel room may only transmit when it detects motion, or an Apple AirTag may only transmit when there is an iPhone nearby. But if and when something is transmitting, this will pick it up. It is very easy to use. You simply turn it on. However, if you are in a place with a lot of toys that squirt RF electricities, like Wi-Fi routers, cell phones, iPads, Bluetooth devices, computers, security cameras, or smart TVs, it can be tricky to use because it will be picking up signals from everything, so it's hard to narrow down to any one specific thing. However, if you are somewhere like a hotel or an Airbnb, where you might expect to find one Wi-Fi router and not much else, it can be very easy to find something that does not belong, like a camera in the bathroom or pointing at the bed. So to use it, you first turn off your own cell phone and laptop or anything else that squirts RF electricities, and you turn on the KT9000 and make sure it's in RF mode, which is to the left where it says RF. And you then adjust the sensitivity with this knob to where it just stops beeping. Then as you move about the room and get near something that is squirting RF electricities, such as this harmless Bluetooth mouse, this will happen. You can then turn the sensitivity down a little and hone in on the location of whatever secret device is squirting those RF electricities. As previously mentioned, it also has this, which is used to locate strong magnetic fields. Simply plug it in right here. You would use this if you think someone has magnetically mounted a GPS tracker to your vehicle, because a GPS tracker may only transmit intermittently. So if you do not want to sit around waiting for its RF transmissions, you could use this to sweep around your car and locate any strong magnets, which might be attaching something hidden to the vehicle. To use it, you simply switch to magnet mode by switching to the right. You then adjust the balance knob until the sound stops. And then you sweep this around your car to locate any strong magnets which might be attaching something hidden to the vehicle. This was able to detect the strong magnet that holds the small rock lights onto my Jeep from about 6 inches away. And it also comes with this separate device, which is a hidden camera lens detector. Because as previously mentioned, some cameras do not transmit an RF signal all of the time. A well-hidden camera might only transmit when it detects motion, or the old man that owns the Airbnb you're staying in might remotely turn the camera on every time he hears you go into the bathroom. So you can use this, which blasts infrared light, and it then has this special little lens filter that you look through, and it will let you actually see a hidden camera lens. Because even if the camera is hidden, the lens will always be exposed. And for reasons that are far beyond my understanding, most small camera lenses reflect the infrared light, which makes them very easy to see when looking through this kind of filter lens. The hidden camera lens will show up as a bright red reflection and is very hard to miss. You can use this to see a lens from all the way across a room, and the camera does not have to be powered on to see it. So this can be very useful in locating any hidden cameras. I told you this video would be short, and I have so far kept my end of the bargain. So if you travel and want to make sure that nobody is spying on you, or if you're just paranoid like I am, the Night KT9000 anti-spy kit might be for you.